The woman responsible for the death of DARTS driver Sherri DeMoore received her sentence today as Sherri's family looked on. 76-year-old Maria D'Amico was ordered to surrender her driver's license after she pleaded guilty to careless driving causing death under the Highway Traffic Act. Jason Gaidola tells us more.
I think she was sincere, and I wouldn't question the sincerity of her apology, but nevertheless, we aren't able to bring Sherri back.
Outside of a provincial court this morning, Bob Collins and Mary McGreevy heard from the woman charged in connection to the death of their daughter, DARTS driver Sherri DeMoore. Under the Highway Traffic Act, Maria D'Amico was charged with careless driving causing death. The 76-year-old pled guilty and emotionally stated in the courtroom today, "I apologize from the bottom of my heart." D'Amico's lawyer and the Crown jointly submitted a penalty of a maximum 5-year suspension of her driver's license, which the judge accepted, adding in part, "It's a plea, it's remorseful. Given the age and lack of record, I consider all factors and accept the submission." D'Amico was also served with a $2,000 fine, a penalty the Crown says could carry up to $10,000 for similar offenses. It was May 5th last year when a Honda Civic driven by D'Amico went off the roadway on Main Street West near Locke Street, striking a building and killing Sherri, who had just stepped onto the sidewalk from her bus. McGreevy read an impact statement today, simply saying her daughter was just doing her job.
She died from massive head and chest injuries instantly, and he indicated at the time, I understand that Mrs. D'Amico was examined and found not to be impaired.
D'Amico's attorney defended his client's punishment, saying it effectively is a life suspension, adding she has no recollection of the accident, and based on gathered evidence, D'Amico was distracted and accidentally hit the gas pedal. Sherri DeMoore's parents say investigators explained to them what led up to the crash.
She was able to cross over 2 lanes of traffic, mount the curb, drive for a little distance along the sidewalk, and then squeeze her car between the bus and the building. That's far more than hitting a pedal. You have to use the steering wheel to do that.
Maria D'Amico forfeited her license this morning and has a year to pay her fine. Jason Gaidola, CHCH News, Hamilton.